Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Arpita Chipkar. A month and a half back I was sent a few products from the brand called Zordan, and actually I selected these products. I was asked to select whichever products I want to try out, and this is for the review purpose. I'm not paid for this, so this is not a sponsored video at any cost, but these are my opinions on after using these products. And without any further ado, let's get started. So product number one is this gold facial kit. It comes in these small sachets, like there are 6 sachets as it, like the pre-facial cream, which is basically a face wash. Then comes a gold scrub cleanser. You have to be very careful with it because it is a walnut shell powder. You cannot just massage it very harshly on your skin because it could be damaging on your skin, so be careful there. And there is gold massage gel and a gold serum, which you have to mix up and use it in your massage procedure, which is really nice. I liked it. And also massage cream, it is thick consistency, and my dry skin loved it. And then afterwards you have a face pack. It's a plain multani mitti face pack, which is really refreshing on the skin. And then comes the gold serum, which is the it's like after you're done with your facial, you have to apply the serum. So I'm done with this. So it's a one-time use, and I'm fairly happy with this one. And I think the glow, basically the glow after the facial comes on the next day. And I just finished doing this facial like 20 minutes back or 30 minutes back. So moving on to the next product is this cleansing milk. I was a big fan of using cleansing milk since years now. It just gives me a very good feeling, like it deeply cleanses your makeup and even the eye makeup and all. And it's like any other cleansing milk. It's just a nice product, a fine product. I loved it. It does clean my makeup. I usually use this whenever I use a dark lipstick, and I always use a dark lipstick. So I would really like this. I really like this, and I would really recommend this product. It's a nice one. It deep cleanses, makes skin clean, healthy and radiant. It's also pH balanced. It has cucumber extract and aloe vera extracts. I love it. And it even has a mild fragrance. Up next, this is my favorite product from this bunch of products. It's a rose mist, and when I saw this on the website, I knew that I had to take this rose mist. I have a very interesting way of using this rose mist. I use it mostly for my hair. I don't know what kind of a weird way it is, but I like using mist after my hair wash. I sprinkle a little bit on my hair and on my face. It's very refreshing and I love it. I would even like to repurchase this. I had a lot of acne issues happening. Like I still have a little bit of marks. I'm not using a concealer anyway. So yes, there is a little bit of mark here and a few acne here and there. But which was not the case usually. I don't know how it just popped up. So I did order a neem face pack. Like in the face pack category, you have a lot of face packs, like I think 4 or 5 if I'm not mistaken, but I have tried this one and it is amazing. It's a very simple formula. It's very easy to apply on the skin. It's just like a paste. You just have to apply and rinse it off after 15 minutes or so. And it's neem and aloe vera. I don't know if I changed my diet. There was no difference in my diet, but wherever I got the pimples, I started using this for a week or so, and it just cleared my acne. And I would highly recommend this one if you have an acne prone skin. Up next we have a fruit scrub. It has a nice fragrance, and it is apple strawberry, removes dirt and impurities, prevents skin darkening, lightens, brightens skin tone, skin whitening face scrub. My experience of using this, it has got very mild scrub particles, which was very nice on the skin. It felt good, and I used it like once or twice a week. It cleanses your face really well. It's very affordable. It's like 60 grams product for 99 rupees. You could even get some discounts. So I really like this one. personally speaking, this is a very new brand to me and it's very affordable. I'm loving this products. Since 1.5 months, my experience of using these products has been really nice. And, up next we have this eye cream. I don't think it has reduced my dark circles as such because my sleep pattern is horrible. I'm a new mother. Not a new mother actually. I have a toddler. I still have it fixed in my mind that I'm a new mother. But yeah, I'm a mother of a toddler and my sleeping patterns are all messed up. So I cannot expect a cream to suddenly vanish my under eyes, dark circles and all. But one thing for sure, this is so soothing on the eyes. It induces sleep in a nice way. I don't know how, but it just is very relaxing on the eyes. And since 1.5 months, I do notice that whenever I use this one, I feel a lot relaxed, and it does help me in sleeping well. So I like it. It's a very relaxing sort of cream. And another favorite of mine from this lot is this one. This is a herbal pimple treatment. I didn't know how to use it because it's like a gel, and you know how much I love gel based products. So and it smells so freaking nice. It smells so good, and it's like a normal gel based moisturizer. So how I used it is because I was getting a lot of acne issues. I just used it after my serums and all. I just used it like a moisturizer on throughout my face. That is how I've been using it since 1.5 months, and that's what I'm not having any acne issues since then. And I think this really works. If you have got acne prone skin, this neem face pack and this pimple treatment duo is so freaking awesome. You should try this out. And the facial kit is nice. It's good. It's one-time use and it's quite affordable as well. It's just 99 rupees, and so you should definitely try this out. The cleansing milk is good. It retails at 90 rupees and it's very price effective. I think it's lovely. You should try this out if you are someone who wears a lot of makeup and need a cleansing milk to remove your makeup. I think it's good. And this face mist has to be one of my top favorite. Scrub, I think you could give it a pass. I don't love it as such. It's not a bad product. It's quite nice. I don't know, it's not one of my personal favorites as such. I just like it. Okay, it's fine. And the under eye cream is also okay. Like I can do without it as well. But if you have to buy like top 3 products from this brand, it has to be the face mist, the neem face pack and the pimple treatment cream. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today guys. You can check out my other videos as well. See ya.